Hello, I was given a Ferrex lawnmower. It's 18-inch and 161cc lawnmower. And I noticed that the lawnmower would dig into the grass, especially if I was pushing uphill or I hit a bit of a uneven spot in the lawn. And then I noticed that the front of the lawnmower was a fair bit lower than the back of the lawnmower. So I put my tape on it, and the front there is about 3 centimetres off the ground, and the back is about 5 centimetres off the ground, and that's at the second highest setting. So I decided that I should perhaps swap the wheels over. So I'll put the back wheels on the front, and then the front wheels on the back to level up the base of the lawnmower. So just with a screwdriver there, I took off those wheel covers one by one. Pop it off, and there's just one nut there that holds one of those locking nuts that holds the wheel in place. So I've got my ring spanner, loosened that nut. Yes, just loosened that nut, and did the same on the smaller front wheel. The front wheel was on a bit tighter, but I eventually loosened that nut. You loosen the nut and took off the smaller front wheel, and took off the larger back wheel, and put the smaller wheel on the back, and then put the larger wheel back on the front. And tighten up that locking nut. Okay, and then just made sure the wheel was still spinning freely. Tightened up the back nut, and made sure the wheel at the back was still spinning freely. Replaced those little wheel covers. And you can see there that, whatever you can see, that now the front is about 4 centimetres and the back's about 4 centimetres as well. So I've levelled up the base of the lawnmower by swapping the wheels. Okay, so I swapped the wheels on the other side of the lawnmower as well, and there's the mower now. It's going straight over that bump and up the hill without digging into the grass at the front. Okay, so that's one way, I suppose, to stop your lawnmower digging in at the front, is to make sure that the base is even, and perhaps swap the wheels to get the base to be even. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.